I'll show you how to put one name on your Facebook account without using any symbols as opposed to the previous videos that I made. So I'll be taking you through each and every step. So step number 1, you open your Facebook app. So as I said, this is the account that I'll be making one name on it. So right now it has Miles Andy, but I'm going to change it to only Miles, right? So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and then you log into your account via Facebook. So you continue via Facebook. So once that is done, then you go back to your Facebook profile and then you click on the 3-dash menu at the top right corner. Then you scroll down and select settings and privacy. Settings and privacy, then you select settings. So now still under settings, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and then you select account center under meter. So but before you first click that, then before you proceed from this step, now what you do is to open Play Store app and then you install this VPN LAT. So it's this one with 4.4 star rating. So you install it and then after installing you go ahead and open it, then you continue. So from here it will bring different servers, but you select Indonesia server. So after selecting Indonesia, still you continue with Jakarta. Then now it will be connected. So after connecting, you go back and open Facebook and then you continue from the step where you stopped. So under account center you select the profiles, then you choose the one that is linked to Facebook. Then now under name you click on it, then you can edit the name. So you remove the last name and then you edit the first name that you want to appear on your Facebook profile. So for now I'll put Miles. So then where there is last name, you're just going to press space, that space bar. Then after that you click review change. So under last name you just click space, then save changes. So after saving these changes, the name will only be one. So then you can confirm by logging into your Facebook account again. So you open Facebook, then check, and this way you will have only one name on your Facebook account. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. You can try these others in case this doesn't work for you, and subscribe so that you don't miss more of my coming videos.